Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Use. This is our 15th video of our Golang series. Today we will going to discuss about the anonymous functions. In the previous video we have discussed about the periodic function. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that. Those are very important when we are learning the Go, right? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the anonymous functions, no? Right, when we are discuss about the anonymous functions, first we want to identify what is the anonymous function, right? Anonymous function is some kind of a function, right? We can create a functions without a name, right? That is the main feature that provided by the anonymous functions. This is the way actually we can create the anonymous function using the font keyword. We can create. I am passing. Okay, first I create a normal function like in this way, right? In here I will print some value, some views, right? Some views. Okay, then in here they said that but font literal evaluated but not used, right? Anonymous functions also called the literals as well, right? Literal is another name for anonymous function. Okay, in here they are saying that we are define some font but we haven't used that one, right? Okay, how we can use that one? Using these braces, right? Using this parenthesis, we can use this function. Okay, now I will run this one. It has run and give the output as dummy views, right? This is the simple way that we can create the anonymous function and call that one, right? In this process we are calling we call that immediate invocation, right? Okay, another way that we can create a function is we can create a function in like this way, and we can give some name like print, right, to that function. Then that parenthesis we can remove. How we can call to this one? Using the print. In print we can call to this, right? This is another way that we can call to this print function, right? And okay, how we can pass the parameters here? Okay, I am creating a function called add, and then I am passing a comma b int, right? Then I am calling to function called add, right, with the parameters 3,5, and then in here we can print those values a comma b, 3, and 5. It shows, right? How we can return value in here? We can simply return a plus b, right? And then we can get that return value to the variable called sum, and then we can print that value here, right? In here they are saying that we are returning some integer value, but we haven't included the return type here. Then I am added that one as it, right? Okay, now I am running this one. It will display the output, right? This is the way that we can create the anonymous functions. These are very important when we are learning the Go related functions, right? Hope you have learned new things. If you learn anything, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please comment those things and share those things with your friends, right? We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.